students, let's continue with the chapter 5, Factors and Multiples. Today we will learn a new concept, that is prime factorization. So before we start, we have to know what are twin primes. Twin primes are pairs of prime numbers which differs by 2. Students, you know what are prime numbers. So let's write them down here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so are prime numbers. You have to know at least few prime numbers. Now, the twin prime numbers are pairs of prime numbers which differs by 2. So, look here. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 cannot be twin prime. Let's move to the next numbers. 3 and 5. Are they twin prime? Yes, because it is differing by 2. That is 4, 5. Okay, so 3, 5 are twin primes. Let's see next numbers. 5, 7. Are they twin primes? Yes. 5, 6, 7. So 6 is missing there. So 5, 7 are twin prime. Let's move on to the next numbers. 7 and 11. Are they twin prime? No. It is differing by 4 numbers. So let's move to the next number. That is 11, 13. Are they twin prime? Yes. Because 12 is missing. So 11, 13 are twin primes. What about 13 and 17? Are they twin prime? No. So we will stop here. There are more twin primes which you have to find. Now we will see what are prime factors. Factors of a number which are prime are called as prime factors. Let's take an example. 18. Here you have to find the factors of 18. You know how to find factors of 18. Okay, let's start. 1 18s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 6s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 9 2s are 18 and 18. So all these are factors of 18. Okay, now factors of a number which are prime are called as prime factors. Now you know prime numbers also. So can you tell me which are the prime numbers here? Yes, they are 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So these are the prime factors of 18. Understood, students? Now again I will tell you. We found the factors of 18. We got 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These were the factors of 18. Now we are learning what are prime factors. Now I said prime factors are factors of a number which are prime are called as prime factors. Now here which are the prime numbers? You know 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So these 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 18. Now we will see what is prime factorization. A number which can be written as a product of its prime factors is known as prime factorization. Now prime factorization can be done in two methods. First method is repeated division method and the second method is factor 3 method. Okay, the first method is repeated division method and second method is factor 3. First we will see what is repeated division method. Now let's learn how to find the prime factors of a given number. Here the question is find the prime factors. Let's take one number. Let's take 180. Okay, now since it is repeated division, I will write 180. Put a line like this. Okay, now if you see 180 is a even number and 2 is the only even prime number. So we have to divide this 180 by the minimum prime number. We have to start from the smallest prime number. The smallest prime number here is 2 and you know 180 is divisible by 2 completely. So I write 2 here at the left side of the number. So I have to divide 180 by 2. What is 180 by 2? It is 90. 180 divided by 2 will give me 90. So if you can divide and write the number, or else you can do this way. 2 9s is 18, you know, and take down 0 here. So the quotient here is 90. Again, 90 you have, 90 is also a even number. So I have to divide it by the minimum or the smallest prime number, that is 2. So I write 2 here, 2. So you divide 90 divided by 2, you will get 45. So 90, 2 4s are 8, right? Now 1 is carried over. Now you got 10 here. 2 4s are 8, 1 got carried over here. We got 10. So 2 5s are is 10. Now if you see, 45 is not a even number, it's an odd number. So it is not completely divisible by 2. So we move on to the next prime number, that is 3. So 45 divided by 3 will be 15. Or else you can do this method. 3 1s are 3. 1 is carried forward. So this becomes 15. 3 5s are 15. Again, 15 is a odd number. So we will divide it by 3. And you know, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So I write 3 5s are 15. We have 5 here. So 5 itself is a prime number. So I write 5 1s are 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Now we write prime factorization of 180 as the product of all its prime factors. Okay, so I write prime factors of 180 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Let's take 96. So I write 96 here. Now 96 is a even number. So I will take the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 96 divided by 2 will be 48. So 2 4s are is 8. So 1 will carry forward. So 16. 2 8s are 16. 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. So I write 2 here. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Now 24 divided by 2 will be 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again, it's a even number. 2 6s are 12, as you know. 2 3s are 6. Now here you got 3. So 3 itself is a prime number. So 3 1s are. So the prime factors of 96 is equal to 2 multiplied by 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 3. Let's take one more example. 2 2 5. So 225. Now if you see here, 225 is an odd number. So it is not completely divisible by 2. So let's move on to the next prime number, that is 3. So 3 7s is 21, you know. So 1 will carry forward. 3 5s are 15. Again you got 75, and 75 is an odd number. So let's try it with 3 first. 3 2s are 6, 1 carry forward. 3 5s are 15. Now you got 25, and you know 25 is not completely divisible by 3. Okay, so I will move on to the next prime number, that is 5. 5 5s is 25 and 5 1s are 5. So the prime factors of 225 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Let's take one more number, 195. Now if you see here, 195 is an odd number. So let's start with 3. 3 6 are 18. So 1 carried forward. 3 5s are 15. Now you got 65. So it is not divisible, completely divisible by 3. So I move on to the next prime number, that is 5. So 5 1s are 5. 1 carried forward here. So 5 3s are 15. Now students, you know, if you see here, there is 13. Quotient is 13. And the quotient 13 is a prime number. You remember prime numbers? Yes. So here 13 is a prime number. So I cannot divide further. So I will write 13 1s are 13. So the prime factors here are prime factors of 195 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 30. Students, just now we learned how to find prime factors of a given number by repeated division method. Now we will learn to find prime factors by factor tree method. Okay, now I will write a number here, 54. Now factor tree method is the same method how we did for the repeated division method. Only thing here, we are doing it in a pictorial form. Okay, it is like a branches of a tree. That's why it is said as a factor tree. Now 54 is a even number. So it is divisible by which number? 2. So 2 27s is 54. 54 divided by 2, I will get 27. Now I got 27. Again I have to divide 27 completely. So it is not possible by 2. So what is the next prime number? It is 3. 3 9s is 27, right? Now I have to divide 9 now. So 3 3s is 9. And finally 3 1s are 2 3 3 3 are the prime factors of 54. The prime factors of 54 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, let's take one more example. 72. So 2 36 is 72. 2 18s is 36. 2 9s is 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. So all these are the prime factors of 72. So I write here prime factors of 72 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now we will see what is a coprime. Now two numbers are said to be coprime when they have only one as a common factor. Let's take one example. So I take 18 and 35. We have to see whether these two numbers are coprime of each other. Now I have to write 8 factors of 18. You know 1 18 is 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18, then 9 2s are 18 and 18 are the factors of 18. We will write factors of 35. 1 35s are 35, 5 7s are 35, 7 5s are 35 and 35. Now if you see here, we have to see which are the common numbers here. There is only one factor, that is 1 as a factor which is common in both. So these are co-prime numbers. Let's do exercise 5.2 from the textbook, page number 67. Question A. List all prime and composite numbers between 20 and 40. You know what are prime numbers and composite numbers. So you have to list the numbers between 20 and 40. This you have to do as a homework. Question 2. Which of these are co-primes? So I will solve first one for you all. A. Second. First one is 24, 32. Now we have to see whether these numbers are co-prime. So first I have to write the factors of 24. So 1, 24s are 24, 2 12s are, 3 8s are, 4 6s are. Okay, then I will write this number, whichever numbers I have said, and the last number is 24. So these are the factors of 24. 32. So 32 1s are 32, 2 16s are, then 4 8s are, and 32. Any other number, students? No. So these are the factors of 24 and these are the factors of 32. Now here if you see, there is 1 1, 2 2, then any other number? Yes, 3 4 4, 8 8. So this is not a co-prime numbers because there are more than one factors. Okay, so you have to do second, third, fourth as a homework. Now question B. Find the prime factors. This you have to do as a homework from 1 to 6. Then construct factor trees for 1 2 3 4. This also you have to do as a homework, students. Okay, do as the way I have shown you all when I solve some examples. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.